Here, smell my arm. It smells like.
Oh, wow.
Right? Like
Holy shit.
Imagine having a passenger who gives false pickup and drop-off locations, makes phone calls in a foreign language, but claims he doesn't have internet connection to change the destination himself, and to top it off, puts a foreign substance on your arm and convinces you to inhale it. Yep, it all happened, and I got the reaction of my next 3 passengers to see what they thought. If you liked the video, go ahead and drop a like for me.
Hey there. Your location is like nowhere. That address is nowhere near where I'm at right now. Yeah, I'm in Panorama City. Is it the Rover spot? Is that what it's called? All right. Well, I'm just gonna start the trip now because it's gonna take me 10 minutes to get there. I'll just. All right. Hey there. I found you.
Just 1 minute. I finish.
Okay. No worries. I got you. All right, before we go, let's make sure we have the right address.
Yeah. Yes, then I will change it.
Okay. You said then you'll change it?
Yeah. Thank you. Excuse me?
Yeah.
Can I put the again to change location, please?
What's that?
Can I change location?
Yeah, go for it.
But no internet connection. So
Where are you from?
Saudi Arabia.
Oh, okay, crazy.
Pass me your hand.
What's that?
Your hand. Give me your finger.
What is it?
Look, it smells nice, no nice.
What is it?
It's like some Indian smell.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you do it like this.
Oh, it's like
Yeah.
interesting. Oh, wow, it's strong. What's it called?
It's called the oud.
Ode?
Oud.
Ode? Ode?
Excuse me, could you stop by McDonald's, please?
Yeah, where?
It's straight on the street.
See? Okay.
I want to order takeaway, please. If you may.
All right.
What's your favorite sandwich?
My favorite sandwich?
Yeah, from McDonald's.
McChicken.
Hello? Can I have 2 McChicken combo? 2 McChicken combo. Combo.
Medium fries?
1 large, you.
Sure.
Medium.
Medium's fine. Dude, you're the man.
Sprite.
I'm sorry?
Sprite.
Right?
Yes, and 1 Big Mac sauce, please. On a side.
Big Mac sauce?
Yeah. On a side. And sweet chili, please.
I'm sorry?
And sweet chili.
Unsweet.
And sweet chili sauce. Yeah, go ahead. Thank you.
I can understand you just fine.
Yes. But Big Mac sauce every time they put inside box. Not inside box this time. Give me 5 star now. Yes, please. Extra ketchup. Extra ketchup. Extra piece, extra ketchup. And can I have mayonnaise on the side? Mayonnaise? Huh? How much? خلاص, next time. Next time. No, you can go ahead.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah.
All right.
Why he didn't put no fries for you?
I think he just didn't understand that you wanted 2 combos.
He's such a mother flower. This one.
Legend, you're a legend.
You legend. My friend, you have a good one, okay?
Yeah, you as well.
Yes, thank you.
Thanks for being with me. It was fun. Hey there. How you doing, my man? Hey there. So, fun fact, I just had the most interesting ride as a driver, I think, ever. So I was going to tell you a story, a true story that actually happened to me. Gets in the car. First off, the address that he wanted me to pick him up at was not the address that was given. So I was like, okay. I was like, all right, I don't know. He gave me the right addresses. I just told him, hey, I'm going to start the time. Like, I'm getting paid to come wherever you're at now. Yeah. So I pick him up. Doesn't speak much English. Like, we're on the freeway, and he's like, hey, give me your wrist. And I was like, I don't know if that's a good idea. So he puts this like oil on my wrist. And at first I was...
Oh, God, no.
Yeah, no. It tells me to smell it. I was like... I was like, no, like, I've seen enough movies now, you don't just smell random stuff. He's like, it's a spice from India or something.
Is that the smell?
Yeah, it smells like weird, right?
Yeah.
Like
a taxi cab?
the stuff literally smells like dog crap. Like, and now it's in my car. I can't get off. I've been spraying this like orange essential oil
I
stuff
was
on my arm.
wondering because it did smell kind of like a cabin.
I can't. Here, smell my arm. It smells like.
Oh wow!
Right? Like
Holy shit!
Dude, it kind of smells like the forest. If this forest smelled like really bad.
Like if a bear shat in it?
Yeah, it kind of smells like
Bear
pine
shit.
trees plus like it smells like I was out in the forest with pine trees and
It smells like the plant and the fertilizer.
yeah, exactly. But the thing is, I've tried so hard to get it off, and it's like I can still smell the remnants of it. So if my car smells like something like an Indian cab ride, that's why. It's because it's due. But I really felt like I don't know if I should smell this. Like I think this might be like a bad idea. And
You
So,
might
like-
end up in the forest yourself.
yeah. All
Is he like drunk or something?
No, not at all. Just got off from work. He thought it was like a good smell.
I'm gonna
Tell-
put some oils on a
Yeah,
guy.
I'm just gonna
and then
put
buy
oils
some
on this guy and then
McDonald's.
buy McDonald's. Yeah,
That sounds
totally
like a
normal.
very 2 to 3 a.m. kind of.
Yeah, that's
drive.
and I don't drive at 2 to 3 a.m., so I don't deal with weird people. Like it's pretty cut and dry. Yeah, like I was like trying to hold it out the window in the sunroof, like, dude, how?
It's oil.
Yeah, it's
just
not
gonna
going
get
away.
worse.
And
You have a great day, bro.
yeah, you as well.
And good luck with the arm.
All right, yeah, I got my own problems.
Hey man, at least you didn't wake up in a bathtub full of ice with a kidney missing.
I did not. That's
Later,
good.
brother.
Yeah, we'll see you.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome so much. You have the rest of a wonderful day.
You too, thank you.
Yeah, we'll see
You're
you.
a really nice guy.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can stay updated on all my future content. If you'd like to see something new from me, go ahead and leave a comment. Also, maybe leave a comment for me and tell me about some of the crazy experiences you've had as a driver or a passenger. I would love to hear it. I'd love to make more videos related to the things that you guys are interested in. Thank you so much. God bless you and have a great day.